can find out which ENBRACK mount you need for your device on our website. The package contains one mount and screws for installation. Before installation, it is important that the devices are brought into the position in which they are to be stored. For cutting tools, the tips are slightly crossed so the device is stored without tension. This also allows you to check whether the blades are bent. For spreaders, bring the tips together so that they are loose. Next, position your device in the mount. Thanks to the intuitive operation, you can secure it safely. You can then slide the device into the desired position. Using a deep hole marker and a pen, mark the drill holes. Important: to avoid damaging the mount material, washers must be used with the plastic components. This is not necessary for the metal components.